This might sound crazy, but I'm thankful I hit rock bottom. A year ago today, I was at my lowest. I lost everything that I thought defined me. Moving back home with my folks was never a part of the plan. But you know what? I needed this reset because now I know what choices to never repeat again. This season forced me to slow down, to rebuild, and to let God strip away what wasn't meant for me. It taught me discipline, to show up even when I don't feel like it, because growth doesn't wait for motivation. It waits for you to be obedient. It waits for you to choose consistency over comfort, faith over fear, and purpose over pride. Y'all, I just did 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. I ain't never sweated so hard in my life. Wearing wigs and being a full-time gym girl ain't gonna mix. When I get in the car, I got to cut on my worship just to start the day off in the right mood, you know? The problem was I was trying to chase the fast life, but God stopped me right in my tracks. I realized I had to step into alignment. So yeah, that may look like working a 9 to 5 for the moment until I get to the life God has in store for me. Rock bottom taught me something powerful. It's in our pruning seasons, not our winning seasons, that we become who God is calling us to be. Sometimes, God removes what we love to give us what we need. Being stripped of everything wasn't punishment. Honestly, it was preparation. Yeah, we need to figure out something to eat, so...
They have restaurants. It's in the downtown. Restaurants. Siri, hey, what are restaurants near me? Which one? They have Taco Mamacita.
So we're going to Oaks Coffee House. My little coffee date with my girls. I used to think I was stronger in isolation, but that wasn't strength. That was just my trauma talking.
Yeah, yours look good.
I went through so many temporary bonds that I started questioning if I'd ever find my people. But once I started walking in obedience, alignment followed. And alignment placed me in a community that was meant for me. Now I understand it. Some people are part of your becoming, not your arrival.
I want to be a mother. I want to be a wife. Like, I want to actually be.
Maybe like, let's go and make keys and what?
No.
Maybe.
My sister.
I'm 24 and I want to still live life without thinking about no other person right now.
And yeah, because I'm selfish. I don't even want to take care of a pet. You know, like when we put my dog down,
to take care of my cat right now.
it's such a responsibility. And I'm like, it's such a responsibility. After we put my dog down, I was like, I want to get another dog because I grew up with one. I was so used to having a pet. I don't like getting up in the middle of the night.
And here,
I don't getting up super early in the morning.
Where the Rebuilding isn't just about discipline, it's also about joy. It's about finding what truly fulfills you, the people who align with your growth, and the moments that bring peace to your soul. Joy doesn't have to be loud, it doesn't have to be reckless, and definitely doesn't have to be temporary. Sometimes joy looks like this: quiet laughter, creativity, aligned friendships, and a full heart. I have completely slowed down. I pray every chance I get. I study the word as much as I can now so I can be more obedient. I learned you can't pray for blessings while walking out of sync with God. Faith has to guide action, not fear, not ego, not pride. Hitting rock bottom really humbled me enough to finally listen, to stop negotiating, to stop halfway obeying, to stop trying to control the timing. Obedience isn't restriction, it's protection. It's God saying, trust me with the long-term vision. There's a different kind of peace that comes when you know you're walking in alignment. Rebuilding means caring for yourself, your body, your mind, and your spirit. Simple moments matter. Discipline matters. Gratitude matters. Being separated from the life I thought I wanted pushed me into the life I actually needed. I don't think we realize that it's actually when we sit in our sorrows that makes us become better, that makes us want to be more mature, that makes us want to learn what not to repeat again. So yeah, I'm thankful I hit rock bottom. It rebuilt me, refined me, and reminded me that God gives you exactly what you need when you're ready, not before. Welcome to Glow and Grow Diaries.